Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today I had a special request from Lorraine for an earring hook. Now she sent me a photo of something that she wanted me to replicate, so that's what I'm going to do today. And then I'll also show you how to make some simple hoops. What you're going to need for this project are your tools. I have flat pliers, round pliers, cutters. I have a file. I have some round forms, and I have some Argentine silver wire. Unfortunately, this one is dead soft, so it's too soft for this project, so I'm going to use the tarnish resistant brass for the sample, and it's 20 gauge. Depending on how big you want to make the earrings, I cut a couple of pieces of wire that are about 5 inches long, and we're going to just cut the ends so they're flush. I'm going to start like that, and then we want to make some little loops in the end. So just take your round pliers and make a couple of little loops, whatever size that you want the end loops to be. So we're just going to do 2 that are the same. If you have a measurement on your pliers, that's great. If not, just eyeball it or compare them once they're done. Lorraine's question was how to get them the same size. So what we're going to do is put these beside each other, line them up here, and you can just kind of start the curve like that. And then take the round form, whatever size that you want, and we're going to curve them both at the same time. So we're going to bring this one around, curve them around, and then hold this in shape. And then what we want to do is to do a bend in the position that you want. So just adjust the shape how you like. And then this would be the part that goes through the ear. So we're going to hold it together and just give it a little bit of a jog. See, so we've got our little jog there. And then from here, we can just cut the ends to how you want them. So if you want them to hang them lower or higher, just give them a clip in the same place. And then of course you're going to have to file the ends, so we're just going to take the file and give it a little file. I find it actually easier to hold the end of the wire and then just file it. If you have a wire reamer tool, it's great too, so you would just take the reamer and just rotate it around the edges to soften them up. If you found this end got a little bent, you just take your flat pliers and straighten it up, and then you can add whatever you want to dangle from the loops. For the hoops, we're going to do it in a similar way, so we're just going to cut the ends flush. And then we're going to take our round pliers and we want to do the loop sort of perpendicular to the hoop. So we're just going to take this and make a very small loop here on that side in that direction. And then we're going to do the same here. We're going to make a little loop. You don't want it too big because you don't want it to be too loose. We're going to go around that way. Then we're going to put one beside the other here, and then take our pill bottle and wind it around. So we're going to wind this all the way around. Make sure it's nice and smooth all the way around. You definitely want a hard wire to do this. You're better to use a bottle that's a little smaller than the loop that you want, and then just go a little bit beyond where you want to bend it up, and then see it'll spring back a little bit. And then just to make sure that these are going to be the same size, just line them up again, find where you want to kind of bend it up, and then take your pliers and just give it a little bit of a bend. You don't want much or it's going to be too hard to get into your ear. And then we're going to give it a little clip. So at that point we're just going to hold those together and then just give them, I would say, not more than a 1/4 inch. So just like give it a little clip there. So now for sure they're the same size. And if you find that a little bit long, you can always like go back, put them together again, and then just trim it a little bit shorter. So whatever is good for your ear, you can decide. From there, you either file them or get the wire reamer again and just go around, rotate to soften up the end. And there you're going to have your earring, and it just slides in there like that. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share pictures of your wire creations and be inspired by others, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wire wedding cake toppers and unique jewelry. I also send out a monthly newsletter, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook, where I give a list of my supplies and materials and a few tips. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you the next time.